Would you sign up to compete in an ice canoe race? During Quebec's Winter Carnival, we watched the extreme sport where athletes have to strategize to navigate through ice and open water to win the competition. They literally have to jump out of their canoe, push it across the ice, and jump back in when it makes the most sense. The race dates back to the late 1800s, but even before that, Indigenous people and French settlers used canoes to cross the St. Lawrence River over the ice in winter to transport goods back and forth. I was blown away, but think I'd stick to cheering on the competition on dry land.